up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny Dove, and as you can tell from the title, today we will be installing a 99J unit that is 26 inches. This is what the box is looking like. Very cute. Look at the hair. With a wig cap as well as a cute little hair tie. It has like a kitty on it, so let me just put this on my head. Wow, I gotta like step back so y'all can see this. 26 inches. This is what she's looking like. Look at that part. That part, in my opinion, looks really good. This is what the front of the wig is looking like. This is a lot of hair. OMG. So if you would like to see how I style this beautiful hair, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Before we spray the lace, let me just show you guys the construction of this wig. So you get one comb on each side, as well as a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, as well as your generic adjustable straps and your thick straps. Y'all, she is long, okay? Okay, I'm already feeling it, and we didn't even glue it down. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. So just off of looking at the hairline, you guys, I feel like the only place I'm really gonna make baby hairs is right here. I don't know if y'all can tell, but We're gonna use mousse to make some baby hairs. She's looking like. I just made the baby hairs in that weird widow's peak section. I feel like the top looks a little bumpy, so I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and press it down. One thing I noticed is that this hair does run, and it was only doing that once I started adding product to like the baby hairs and stuff. So I'm really glad we didn't bleach the knots, because imagine how much of the dye probably would have came out once this wig got wet. Once again, this is what the hair is looking like. It's very soft, but because it's extremely long, I am receiving a little bit of tension in the nape area, but as far as it goes, this wig is pretty soft. All right, so let's press down this front. You guys, this is pretty much it for this video. As you can see, I made some little baby hairs on the side, and I just pressed out the top of the wig and put a little bit of foundation on the part. And as you saw previously in the video, I pressed it out with my flat iron, and this is what she's looking like. I didn't really make any baby hairs on the side, considering that this wig is so long. Nothing's really going to be showing other than possibly these two in the front right here. I love it. I feel like a bad bitty, and I love the fact that the hair itself took very well to my straightener. Like, look at this. Look at it, y'all. This is nice. I'm receiving very little shedding. The only thing I recommend looking out for is the fact that this wig does run. The dye started to get on my fingers once I made the little baby hairs. But other than that, I have no complaints. I absolutely love this hair. I think it looks very nice. If you are into long units and you're into color, you will definitely love this wig. It is pretty full. I have all the hair in the front, so this is all the hair that you get, and it doesn't really tangle. The only part that I'm receiving a little tension is in the back, but that's pretty normal on long wigs. Other than that, the hair is super soft. It has a nice luster, and I think it will look beautiful on any skin tone. Once again, this is being brought to you by. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I will leave all the information you need to purchase this wig for yourself down in the description box. Continue to support your girl by liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys next week with another wigs.